back to leaders still Matilda. Is it the lady?
Yes.
Correct. Tindikuana bobi. Omate every member of parliament in Kisii and Kirase kiroro konkondo bwate meyo at the same time kiroro konkondo bwate kemelia rotekemete. I want to give you an example. Asengo rubasi amatoke naro. Ntu arosareti wigento nyamache kenge chiro ya matoke. I think it no mosado olinga kuruwa World Bank bakatorosalia bakaruchi besa chiro si chire nkong panto bakarichi besa chiba gakora bakagache gento kenge nyomba yo muntu akomenya kitabuga ati anything amatoka ko irororo agunda in the next 10 minutes ya sari kirepi. These leaders who come from specific constituencies, they know what their people were dependent on. Onye no mujumbo kurugirango na matenga abantu bane babogirango igento bagosumeka ne MSC. Let him go to parliament and push for those things because konya abantu babogirango. Ndubwata abantu baito babo nchari. Babuata kosene chinchuku. Ebusukari. The member of parliament who is a representative should go straight to parliament, agitate for issues which will affect abalemi bensem because one don't expect you mo jumbe osoro again the parliament ya kuona manager. Ejine chinsara sali because chaete
Tikagenda kwanire gware.
Tomoremi aka numo sibobe akure pakenze tenene. So we expect also other leaders from other areas but capture again take you omugaba no iteke ntokonya kumokwanira mono erene overall erebona alternate meli bionsi pi asa matuka yago safu atala chikuruzu kangera ko genda kirige ntokira affected gusi okwana ngekemelieke nge nero kora tutabinga nabwate abantu abakonsana investors kuru China. Why is he not bringing those investors to Bobas bakora mangana matoka babe ke industry ekonya bas abantu baroro ngia tai ko bekere aba investor aba baleta no mbogirango basiemesi abantu itwali ko rechiga. So back to your question, it still goes back to leaders. Leaders must do something. If they cannot, then they need to be replaced.
Tubate omo county omo waziri muboremia se county ya Kisii county ya Nyamira barabunki bakora
material tiango tabyo man ministers wa county level eba akorega singa kiongwae igarero obo none minister onyerete ma ochomo chiko yo mombo bolinga nkegenda tego obo lemina batatu ala information isain borio mo minister bwa machenga nkegenda rete chinsemo gete e governor ya Kisii igebegete ebinto byonsi pi possible ayega. The minister may not have powers to okora kende gyonsi ebinto binde binge bikoba implemented in executive as a governor and CEO abantu bategemete governor batebigento bakora. We don't have a minister atende buronkeiga egotebegento nojenjere libati yangia nge minister ya Kenya agotere no kura e ministry onyironge ibweka tonyore minister moya Kisii county ekoncho kwa naji constituency ya manyanga ki munabona kwa re minister ya agriculture ya Kisii ego kwa negotiator echa 10 years kwa muro last. So tamani they don't know what's going on anyway.
Omorigere motegere mbamu manyete.
So abanta bakoruka ministers borogu njetindo uchigo semba bwate gasba bakora because kirega as a Kisii as things stand ekornum government tiga governor onyo tegete kokonya aye aba minister chingu unabono minister of agriculture I'm not having a follow up on this issue because what stops the minister for agriculture from Kisii county to face a minister ya national government eye to eye amoboli mangana yecha ya Kisii
right
au mheshimiwa Jimmy
oyo bono ogokwano mongwano